and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isabella Bridges. I am 8 years old and today we will be making Hershey Secret Kisses cookies. Here are the ingredients you will need. 1 cup of butter, softened at room temperature, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 of flour, 1 cup of walnuts, pecans. If you don't have pecans, use whatever nuts you have, and 36 Hershey Kisses. Okay, let's start making this delicious treat. And while you're putting the butter in, put the sugar and the vanilla extracts. Now put your vanilla extracts in. And wait till it gets nice and fluffy. And then you pour your flour in. Turn it on again. And then you wait until it gets nice and crumbly. Now turn the machine off so that we can get all the leftover flour and bring it down with the dough. And then you pour in your nuts. And then you turn it on again. Once your pecans are all mixed up with the dough, you want to lift it up and make sure you get all the stuff off your whisk. And then you want to take it off to set in the refrigerator for an hour before we put it in the oven. This is the consistency you're looking at. I'm gonna go put it in the fridge to set. Hello, welcome back. My dough has set in the fridge for an hour now. Let's go check our dough. Your dough should be nice and hard. And while you put you want to set the oven at 375 degrees. And for this next step, you'll need 2 trays and the Hershey Kiss. So first you grab some of your dough and you make it into a little ball. And then you smush it down. And then you can put one of the Hershey Hershey Kisses in. And then you have to wrap the Hershey Kiss up. I'm gonna put them in the fridge now for 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll be back. Hi, my cookies have been in the fridge for 10 minutes now. Now I'm gonna get them out of the fridge and put them in the oven. Set your oven at for 12 minutes, and I'll see you later. Bye bye. My cookies have been in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes now. Let's take them out. So my cookies are out of the oven now, and this is what they should look like when they're out of the oven. Let them cool for 20 to 25 minutes. Bye bye, I'll see you later. I'm gonna put my cookies on the wire rack so they cool quicker. If you have one at home, you can put your cookies on the wire rack. So I finished putting them on the rack, and now I'll have to wait 10 or 13 minutes for them to cool down. My cookies have been setting now for 10 to 13 minutes. So for this final step, you'll need powdered sugar and your cookies. So one by one, you start taking the cookies you start dipping them into the powdered sugar and cover them up like this. This is what they should look like once you dip them in. Keep dipping them in until you finish doing all your cookies. This is a great way to spend your time at home in quarantine. My mommy used to always make these when I was little for Christmas. These treats would be really good for Christmas. I finished covering all my cookies with the powdered sugar. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like with one of them inside. This is what it looks like inside. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe down below and stay safe and healthy. Bye! I made these by myself. A little bit of help. Ah! I didn't need my didn't.